Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another Jamaican that have been making headlines here in Florida, Miami Gardens to be specific, and it's not in a good light. These cases have been occurring not only overseas as far as Jamaican men are concerned or Jamaican family are concerned, but they have also been happening on a consistent basis in Jamaica. So they just made a public service announcement, that's Jamaica Constabulary Force, about women and their men and domestic violence and how there has been an upsurge, and it seems to have been spilling over into other countries as far as our people are concerned. But let's get into this article, and it says a 3-day manhunt for a man suspected of using a machete to kill his wife and 10-year-old daughter ended Tuesday when firefighters at a Miami-Dade station spotted him and called the police. Miami Gardens Police Chief Delma Noel Pratt said Tuesday night that the fire rescue crew at Station 38575 Northwest 199th Street saw Noel Chambers, 57, walking up by about 6 p.m. They recognized him from media reports, she said, and called Miami Gardens police, who raced over to the station. Chambers was taken into custody without incident, the chief said. On Saturday, police were called to a report of a possible assault in Loris Harris' apartment. Officers arrived to find Harris' body on the porch. Police later said Chambers used a machete to mutilate her body. Officers then found Harris' 10-year-old daughter, Shayla, dead in a bedroom. Chanellee Chambers, 29, another daughter, was critically injured. Chambers disappeared. On Monday, Harris' family spoke to media in hopes of helping officers locate Chambers. Harris' brother, Ernie Sanders, said his sister asked for a divorce before she was murdered. At Monday's press conference, Harris' middle daughter, Ashley Anderson, called Chambers a monster. After spending a few hours being interviewed by detectives Tuesday night, Chambers was transported to the Turner Gulf Ford Night Correctional Center. He has been charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder and another count of attempted first-degree murder. The chief, who spoke briefly Tuesday night outside police headquarters, called Chambers' actions heinous. The police chief would not answer additional questions. She also thanked Homeland Security and the Miami Police Department for helping out during the manhunt, and he is held without bail. This is very sad, and it takes a special type of human being to be able to actually kill your own flesh and blood. Like, I understand when, not understand, I can see how men kill their partners and significant other, but a 10-year-old, your 29-year-old daughter, like, that part is the part that get me. That's part I cannot, I can't wrap my mind around it. You have to be a special human being for that one. But he is in custody. And quite frankly, I think that he wanted to be caught. He was probably tired of running, tired of his face all over news, media, and stuff like that. So he wanted to be caught, and that's why he walked by that fire rescue station. Because they've been looking for him for 3 days and couldn't find him. So if he wanted to stay hidden, he could have. But I feel like he wanted to be caught. And I'm happy he's in police custody. But now I feel like they're definitely going to fling the book on him. Okay? They're going to fling him away. He's been making headlines not only here, but also in Jamaica. Like, they're going to fling him away. Like, there's no going around it. There's no changing it. Comment what your thoughts are on this story? Do you think that he wanted to get caught and that's why he walked past that fire rescue place? Do you think that he deserves a life sentence or the death penalty? Because here in Florida, they haven't tried anybody for the death penalty in a while, but he could possibly be somebody they ask for the death penalty for. Comment what your thoughts are on him not only killing his partner, but killing his 10-year-old daughter and attempting to kill his 29-year-old daughter. Comment all your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.